welcome back to my YouTube channel. Long time no see, I haven't posted in a while, I know. Today I am going out after a long time. Like, I'm going to a lunch date with my friend with whom I did a vlog earlier. We will go to this very popular trendy cafe restaurant right now. The first week of September was super hot, like I just couldn't take it. It was so bad. It rained for a few days and it's kind of cold at times. I'm feeling fall, even though we do not feel fall in September. Like before October there is no cold on anything. Rain made me feel like a fall a bit, so I want to do a fall inspired makeup and fall inspired outfit. So let's get into the video. I'm sorry, but now it will be kind of a roller coaster because I literally have less than 30 minutes to get my makeup done. I have less than 1 hour to get fully ready and I will do my makeup as soon as possible. You might ask why I'm getting late for literally a lunch. I just got up super late and I took so much time to like eat breakfast, shower, and just I was having my regular slow morning, you know, everything. And today I will have to wear nails, fake press-on nails. Just color correcting. I won't let any concealer to sit today because I don't have that time. It's not a rainy morning, so it's quite hot today. Let's not wear foundation. I'm using my color correcting concealer which matches my exact skin tone, like a foundation. Milani concealer to highlight. Milani Make It Last. Set my face with J-Tat Beauty pressed powder or powder foundation. Their powder. Gently pressing the powder on the rest of my face. Okay guys, we are back with eyeliner and lashes. It is past 30 minutes. We will just contour. That's it, we are pretty much done. Maybe like the finishing touches are after outfit. Guys, you might wonder that why do people vlog and record or film video if they're getting late. It's just fun to, you know, record. And to be honest, I would be just as late if I didn't film it. Hey guys, as you can see that I have wore the dress. It's not a dress. I mean, it was a dress, but I styled it like a top and I'm wearing a black pant. You will see the outfit picture later. I have put on these dark red nails which are so fall coded. It was so trendy last year. It does not trend this year fall. I don't care. I will still wear red nails, be it press-ons or nail polish. Okay, so let's do the lips now. Matching gold accessories and we are done. These glasses are so perfect for this look. One last finishing touch, my Latafa Khamra Kahwa perfume, the most perfect fall perfume. And that's the final look. I'm ready to go now. I'm in love with this makeup look. The red lips, the leopard print, everything is so fall coded and very much like my personal style. I love how it's kind of giving office siren. What do you guys think? Okay, so let's go to this restaurant named Slaw. One thing for sure is I will be wearing these nails a lot this winter. The ambience was super nice, but it was so busy. You know, it's lunchtime and that's my friend Raita with me. I don't know why I always forget to film than main food, but I still dream about this cheesecake. 11 out of 10. Guys, that's Raita, and we had so much fun today. We had the best cheesecake ever. We clicked so many pictures. You can check my Instagram to see the pictures. Thank you so much for watching this Get Ready With Me and vlog. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.